Good morning, Erie County. Today is Tuesday, November 8th, 2011, and I'm your senior meteorologist, Meredith Nichols, here at the Campus Weather Service. Let's take a look at some local temperatures. Here in Erie, it's 57, 50 in Franklin, 42 in Newcastle, so it's much warmer here in Erie. It's going to bring a beautiful day for us with clear skies and calm winds. Let's look at some precip. There is none. It's going to be a beautiful day, as I said, so get outside and enjoy it. Now, in the forecast, there's a front that's going to come toward our area, and it's going to bring with it much cooler temperatures and rain in the forecast for Thursday. So look out for that. And with that, let's take a look at some today's temperatures. Today's going to be a high of 65, clearing skies with winds going from the south at 5 to 10 miles per hour, leading us into tonight. It's going to be a low of 47, partly cloudy skies with winds from the south at 5 to 10 miles per hour. So it's going to be beautiful overnight. But as we head into Wednesday and Thursday, temperatures are going to start to drop a little bit. Wednesday, it's going to be a high of 64, low of 44. Mostly sunny skies. It's going to be like today, beautiful. Thursday, the front's going to come through, and it's going to be a high of 48 and a low of 36. Much cooler temperatures and showers all day long. Friday, it's going to be a high of 44, low of 37 with partly sunny skies. Hopefully, the temperatures are going to warm for the weekend a little bit. And with that, your forecast, I'm your senior meteorologist, Meredith Nichols, here at the Campus Weather Service. Have a fantastic day.